Good morning, friends. So, up to now, we have completed the two topics. Section 1, finite differences topic, and Section 2, Laplace transform topic. Both the topics are common for mechanical as well as electronics group. So now we come to again the second topic from section 1 for both the programs, mechanical as well as electronics, which is partial derivatives, partial differentiation. So the partial differentiation means you have seen in semester 2 total differentiation, that is if y is equal to fx, then dy by dx, it is the total derivative of y with respect to x. And here it is partial differentiation, means the function must be minimum of two variables, and then only we can have this partial differentiation concept. More than 2 is also permissible, but as far as your syllabus is concerned, the limitation of the syllabus is concerned, we will consider only two variable functions. So its definition is like this: if z is equal to fxy, if z is equal to fxy is a given function of two variables x and y, then see the partial derivative notation is like this. It is not d, it is do or daba. It is pronounced as do or daba. So do z by do x, and its meaning is partial derivative of z with respect to x. And we know how to define the total derivative. If y is equal to fx is a given function, then dy by dx is equal to limit of f of x plus h minus fx divided by h as h tends to 0. So that definition you have already seen in semester 2. Now here it is a partial derivative, and partial derivative of z with respect to x, it is again in terms of limit of f of x plus delta x. Delta x is small change in x, or h you can write here h also, x plus h y minus fxy, like this also. But here the correct term is delta x. Delta x is small increment in x. It is delta, it is do, and d is different, dy by dx. See the three d's have their own meanings. D, that is total derivative, then do like this, that is partial derivative, and delta is the increment. Delta denotes the increment. So do z by do x is equal to limit of f of x plus delta x y minus fxy, there is no change in y here, y remains same, divided by delta x as delta x tends to 0. Similarly, partial derivative of z with respect to y, it is written like this: do z by do y, pronounced like this: do z by do y, limit of x is constant here, f of x y plus delta y minus fxy divided by delta y as delta y tends to 0. So this one is called as partial derivative of z with respect to x, and 2 is called as partial derivative of z with respect to y. 1 is called as partial derivative of z with respect to x, and 2 is called as partial derivative of z with respect to y. Immediate example is like this: if z is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, then what is do z by do x? Do z by do x means only you have to differentiate with respect to x. All other variables except x, they are treated as constants. So derivative of x square is 2x. One more thing I will tell you, all the rules or all the formulae from total derivative are applicable for partial derivative, isn't it? So x square derivative is 2x, then 2 is constant, y is constant as far as x is concerned. So we take 2y out, 2y dou by dou x of x plus y square is constant, dou by dou x of 1. So dou by dou x of x square is 2x, 2y, dou by dou x of x is 1, 2y into 1, and y square dou by dou x of 1 is 0. So what is the answer? 2x plus 2y. Then dou z by dou y is x square. You are differentiating partially with respect to y. So x square dou by dou y of 1 plus 2x dou by dou y of y, because 2 is constant, x is constant as far as y is concerned, plus dou by dou y of y square. So x square into 0 plus 2x dou by dou y of y is 1 plus 2y. So again the answer is 2x plus 2y. So here both the answers are same. Then examples we will see like this only. Some more examples. If z is equal to log of x square plus y square, find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou x is dou by dou x of log of x square plus y square. So log of this, so log of fx, we use the derivatives of composite function formulae. So log of this is 1 upon x square plus y square into dou by dou x of x square plus y square. Again I am telling you, all the rules, all the methods or all the formulas from total derivative are applicable for partial derivative. So what is this then? 1 upon x square plus y square as it is. Dou by dou x of x square is 2x and dou by dou x of y square is 0. So 2x only in the numerator. Dou z by dou y, again dou by dou y of this. So 1 upon x square plus y square, dou by dou y of x square plus y square, 1 upon x square plus y square plus dou by dou y of x square. Here I have not written, here it is written clearly, dou by dou y of y square, 1 upon x square plus y square, dou by dou y of x square is 0 and dou by dou y of y square is 2y. So the answer is 2y upon x square plus y square. Every time there is no need to write like this. After having the sufficient practice, after having the perfect understanding, then you can skip the steps. In the total derivative, there is a concept like d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square, or d cube y by dx cube, or d4th y by dx raised to 4. So different order, second order derivative, then third order derivative, fourth order derivative. So here also that concept is applicable. So dou 2z by dou x square is dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. Dou 2z by dou y square, dou by dou y of dou z by dou y. Dou 2z by dou x dou y, dou by dou x of dou z by dou y, or dou by dou y of dou z by dou x, and it is dou 2z by dou y dou x. So dou 2z by dou x dou y is equal to dou 2z by dou y dou x. Similarly, you can extend, that is dou cube z by dou z cube, like that, dou cube z by dou x cube, dou cube z by dou y cube, and so on. So the this concept can be extended. Next example on this, if fxy is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y square, find dou 2f by dou x dou y and dou 2f by dou y dou x. Also show that dou 2f by dou x dou y is equal to dou 2f by dou y dou x. So given fxy is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y square. So dou f by dou x means you are differentiating f partially with respect to x. So derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of y cube is treated as constant 0, plus derivative of 3y square is constant, derivative of x square is 2x. So 3y square into 2x, that is 6xy square. And dou 2f by dou y dou x is dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. So that is dou by dou y of 3x square plus 6xy square, that is 0, plus 3x square, derivative of 3x square with respect to y is 0, derivative of 6xy square with respect to y, 6x is constant, derivative of y square is 2y, so 6x into 2y, that is 12xy, so this one is 12xy. Similarly, dou f by dou y is this is derivative of x cube with respect to y is 0, derivative of y cube is 3y square, derivative of 3x square y square, 3x square is constant, derivative of y square is 2y, so it is 6x square y. Dou 2f by dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, you are getting like this. So dou by dou x means 3y square, derivative of 3y square with respect to x is 0. Derivative of 6x square y, that is 12xy. So that is, so the answer is 12xy. Note that dou 2f by dou x dou y is equal to dou 2f by dou y dou x. So it is shown. Next example, that is if fxy is equal to 2x square plus 6xy plus 4y square, find dou 2f by dou x square and dou 2f by dou y square. So given fxy is equal to 2x square plus 6xy plus 4y square, dou f by dou x is 2x square x cube, actually 2x cube, so that is 6x square plus 6y plus 0, so that is 6x square plus 6y. Dou 2f by dou x square, dou by dou f x of dou f by dou x, that is dou by dou x of 6x square plus 6y, that is 12x. Dou f by dou y is like this, 0 plus 6x plus 8y, dou 2f by dou y square, dou by dou y of dou f by dou y, dou by dou y of 6x plus 8y, so it is 0 plus derivative of 6x is 0, derivative of 8y is 8, so the answer is 8. So this example we will see in our next lecture. So for today it is sufficient. Try to solve more and more examples on partial derivative. It is not the new concept. If you are perfect in total derivative, then I suppose it is more simpler than total derivative, because here for what you are differentiating, means for with respect to what you are differentiating, that is important, and other variables, they are treated as constant, and therefore this concept becomes very, very simple. So for today it is sufficient. I suppose you can take more and more examples on this and try to solve your own examples also. So stay home, stay safe, use masks whenever necessary. Thank you very much.